The best way to make viral Instagram Reels in 2022 is to follow this proven system of 4 steps that helped many of my Reels go viral and got me a lot of followers in the process. And it can help you get similar results too. Starting with the first step, and that is knowing why you want to go viral. This is important because based on it, you will choose the type of Instagram Reels you will make. And there are 2 main reasons why you would want to go viral on Instagram Reels. The first one is to get Instagram famous, which could help you land brand deals, just like Kabi, who recently landed a brand deal with Boss. So if this is your reason, then you have to make 5 types of videos, which I will tell you about in seconds. But the second reason why you would want to go viral with Instagram Reels is to promote your own business, which could help you sell more of your own product. Personally, this is the reason I make my Reels, and if it's your reason as well, then you will have to produce Reels that are educational but also fun, and I will tell you how to do that. But before I go there, I want to tell you about the second step of the system, and that is deciding on what type of Instagram Reels you will make. For this step, if your reason is to be Instagram famous, you will have to make 5 types of videos: either prank videos, reaction videos, trendy dancing videos, funny challenges, and videos showcasing superhuman powers just like the one you are seeing now. These types of videos entertain people, and entertainment is the #1 reason why people watch Instagram Reels. In addition, these videos are universal. Almost everyone would understand them regardless of their language, so they can easily go viral. Taking Kabi as an example again, his entire concept is simply revolved around reactions to dumb solutions of easy to solve problems. They are funny and entertaining and understood universally, and that's why most of his videos go viral. I watched thousands of viral Reels trying to understand what makes them go viral, and the main finding was that they are always in one of the 5 video types I told you about, so make sure you explore them. And if you are not really sure which of these 5 types you should go with, then I encourage you to test them all and see which one you enjoy making the most. Then stick to it. And you might be wondering where to get ideas to make these kinds of videos. You know you will make a reaction video, but what exactly is the content of the video? I am going to show you how you can easily figure that out. But first, what if your goal is to go viral with Instagram Reels to promote your business? Do you also have to make these types of videos? And the answer is no. Instead, you will have to make Reels that position you as an authority in your niche. Simply understand the type of information your audience are looking for, then educate them on it. To make it clearer, let us assume your business is in the photography niche. One of your audience's goal is to take sharp photos instead of the blurry photos they are getting right now with their cameras. So you will simply make a reel showing them how to do that. But you will have to make it fun to consume. Don't just sit and talk. And don't be discouraged if you made a really great video but got only million views versus the 10 million views a badly produced prank video got. You are in a niche, whereas pranks are universal, so it's absolutely fine. But even to get those million views, you will have to implement some techniques when making your reels. One of these techniques helped an old reel of mine get 1 million views when I posted it the second time, compared to only 100k views when I posted it for the first time. And I'm going to tell you about this technique in minutes. But moving to step 3 of the system, which is getting viral ideas for your reels. For the Instagram famous person who decided to make a reaction video, this means you will research an idea for your video that will help you know exactly what the content of the video should be. And to do that, you will simply browse TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even Snapchat Spotlight, looking for reaction videos that went viral. Get your inspiration from them, then make your own. For example, you can see a viral video of someone trying to do something difficult like a single hand push-up but fails miserably. Take the concept of a failed challenge and implement it yourself, and here is how you can do it. Find a video of someone doing something difficult like a single leg squat, then make a reaction or a challenge video where you play the video you saw, react as if you find it simple to do, then attempt it yourself and showcase your miserable failure. This kind of video would tick the reactions, challenges, and funny video boxes, helping you go viral with it if you implement the posting tactics that will trigger Instagram's Reels algorithm to really spread the video. And I'm going to tell you about these tactics in a minute. But if you are a business owner wanting to go viral to promote your product, then you will follow a slightly different approach in finding your ideas. It starts the same way by looking at Instagram Reels, TikTok, and the other platforms to find topics within your niche that got a lot of views and likes. From there, just note down these topics and the way they were presented, then try to make something similar but have your own take on it. And make sure you title your videos in a way that intrigues your audience to see what you have to say. And that is exactly what I did when I got million views on a reel of mine. It was the second time posting the same reel, and the only difference between the second and the first time was the title I used. And bam, 1 million views for a good title compared to only 100k views for an okay title. You could also include some challenges or reactions videos while still educating your audience. Just make sure you pick the right topic. But whether growing your business or being Instagram famous is your goal, you will have to implement these 6 algorithm tactics that would automatically get your videos more views, and this is the 4th step of this system. But before I tell you about these tactics, do keep in mind that they will only work if your videos are good. And how do you make sure your videos are good? Simple. Just follow the 3 steps of the system that I showed you already. Because if you don't and you make just another random video, you will simply not be able to trigger the algorithm, because the main thing that triggers the algorithm is how long people watch your Instagram reels. If they just watch it for 2 seconds and leave, it's a no-no for the algorithm. But if they stay and engage with it, it will trigger the algorithm. And these 6 tactics will further help spread the video. Here are the tactics, and they are in no particular order. Tactic number 1 is to use a sound that is popular or trending. If you don't speak in your videos, then just set the volume to be 100% for the sound. But if you speak in your videos, like I do, then put only 1% of the volume coming from the sound so you can still be heard. Just don't set it at 0, because Instagram will take it as there is no sound. Moving to tactic number 2, which is starting the caption with a mention to your account, as this may help drive more traffic to it. Tactic 3 is to use hashtags that are relevant to the kind of reel you are making. Now I'll be honest with you here. There is a prerequisite to this tactic, and that is researching good hashtags, but that's a subject for another video. Tactic number 4 is to never make your reel longer than 30 seconds. I have seen success with reels between 16 to 30 seconds, but anything longer and you will barely get any views. Tactic number 5 is to post when the majority of your followers are online. But if you are starting from scratch, then post at a time where your target audience are on Instagram, and you can find this kind of information from a simple Google search. Tactic number 6 is to stay consistent with posting Instagram reels. Don't just post a single reel then come again after a month and post another. The more you post, the more you get a chance to go viral, but also people will start trusting you more as someone who is here to stay. Following this system together with some other sneaky ways to generate ideas, I was not only able to go viral several times, but also gain 9.6k Instagram followers per month for every month since I started implementing the strategy in this video here.